The Finance Minister chaired a meeting of the Financial Stability and Development Council today. RBI Governor Shaktikanta told reporters that the liquidity situation for NBFCs also came up as a part of the overall discussion on the economic environment, reiterating the central bank's stated position. Das said NBFCs will be assessed on their ability to raise funds from the markets. Listen.
NBFC, you see, as a part of the review of the macroeconomic situation, the NBFC, the current status of the NBFCs were also discussed. And you see, on NBFC, let me also make it, I want to just state one, it's a fact only. I am not passing any value judgment, but it is just a statement of fact. You see, today, both the banks and the market are discriminating and are differentiating between good NBFCs and the not so good NBFCs. Even today, we have quite a good number of NBFCs, a large number of NBFCs which are well functioning, which are able to access funds from the market, which are able to access loans from the banks, and in fact some of them have got overseas funding also. So therefore, that is the overall state of the NBFC sector. And as I have said earlier, that the RBI is monitoring the top 50 NBFCs, which represent roughly 75% of the asset size of the NBFC sector. And among that, we are having regular interaction with the management of those NBFCs wherever we see any signs of vulnerability. And whenever there is any vulnerable signs are visible, we are asking the management of the company to meet RBI, and we ask them to take corrective steps through market mechanisms. The RBI is fully sort of, we have a good sense of what exactly is happening in that particular sector. Again, just a statement of fact, not making any remark or anything, not passing a value judgment. The overall CRAR requirement for an NBFC is 15%. The sectoral CRAR today of the NBFC sector is about 19.3%. That is the sector. The cooperative banks issue, the NBFC issue, the commercial banks issue, all these issues were obviously discussed. And with regard to strengthening the the regulatory mechanism, there is a need for certain amendments in the cooperative, in the relevant act, which governs the multi-state cooperative societies. And there, as already I think earlier the finance minister had stated, and I had also said it somewhere, so the process of amending certain provisions of the multi-state cooperative societies act, that proposal of carrying out certain legislative changes, that is being taken forward.